Number 1 is 8 and 5, 6 plus 1 and 1, 7. So if we look, we cannot do it because we have 6 and 7. So we have to list our multiples. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. For 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So if we look, 42 is our common denominator. So 6 times 7 is 42. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 1 times 6 is 6. So first, we add our whole numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we add our fractions. 35 42 plus 6 42s is 41 42. So our answer is 9 and 41 40 seconds. Number 2 says the normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Marcus has a fever of 101.8 degrees Fahrenheit. How much higher is his temperature than the normal body temperature? So I'm going to say normal is about 99, Marcus is about 102, so about 3 degrees higher. Now I have to actually solve. So we have 101.8 minus 98.6. Remember, we have to line our decimals up. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 8 we can't do, so we have to borrow. We can't borrow from the 0, so we have to go. This becomes a 10. When we borrow, it becomes a 9. 11 minus 8 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. So the actual answer is 3.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3 says, Erna is making 2 types of bows to sell at a craft fair. She wants to make a sample of each type to show her teacher. She needs 3/4 yards of ribbon for one type and 3/8 yards of ribbon for the other. How much does she need in all? So we want to know in all, so we are adding. So we have 3/4 plus 3/8. We can't add since they're a different denominator. So if we look, 3/4 and 3/8, I know 4 goes into 8, so I'm going to switch it to 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. So now we have 6/8 plus 3/8 equals 9/8, or 1 and 1/8, and that's yards of ribbon. Number 4 says write a number model to represent the story and then solve. Alex earns $8 per hour when he babysits. How much does he earn in 3/4 of an hour? So we want 3/4 of $8.
Does that become a 10? What does it become?
I
need your attention over here.
Now we actually have to solve the problem. So A is the same as 8 over 1. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So your answer is $6. The last one says explain the strategy you use to subtract in problem 2. Okay, so again, the biggest thing when you subtract in 2 is to make sure you line up your place values and your decimals. So once you line those up, you subtract as normal and make sure that you put that decimal where it belongs at the end.
Still had one left over, right?